Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this sign I got from Dollar Tree. I start by removing the paper from the front of it by wetting it down, adding some paper towels down to it, wetting it some more, and letting that sit for about 10 minutes. While that's setting, I'm painting these 3 leaves I got from Hobby Lobby. I'm using the colors Mossy Meadow, Toasted Terracotta, and Coffee Latte. Those are all acrylic paints and they're by Folkart. I then move back onto the sign and I'm using my plastic blade to scrape the paper and peel that off. And after I have the paper removed, I sand it down and just make sure to get really close to that beaded edge. I then paint it with plaster colored chalk paint, and that is by Waverly. Next, I'll be using a couple different stencils I got from Amazon. I spray the back of the stencils with Pixie Spray, place them down, add some tape to cover up those spots to make sure I don't have the paint go through. Use black chalk paint and a stencil brush with minimal paint on it. Stencil on the wording and then fill in the gaps left by the stencil. And the stencils and Pixie Spray both came from Amazon. And then the last thing I do is place down those leaves and add tacky glue to the backs of those to glue those on. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.